The Parent Portal page is a private, locked area made just for Spring-Ford parents and guardians. On the upper right bar, hover over Parents and click on Parent Portal Login. Here you will be able to establish your password. Click Forgot Username or Password, and on the next screen, enter the email address associated with your Skyward account. An email will be sent to your email address with your username and link to create a password. The Parent Portal welcome page will show your profile information, your student's 2017 class or classes, and a district calendar. The Parent Portal ribbon also has training materials, social media feed, RCTV on demand, and quick links for parents. Now, let's update your parent profile. On the upper left corner, hover over your name and click on Profile. It is possible to receive SMS messages via Finalsite. If you would like to enable SMS messages, you will need to add a mobile phone number. This number will remain private. Under Contact Information, change home phone number to mobile phone. Once your mobile number is entered, click the small Edit pencil and then click Enable Text Message. Select your mobile carrier and then click Update. The final step is to click Verify and request code. You will receive an access code which you will enter on this page. Now, click on the Subscriptions tab at the top of this page. In this tab, click Settings next to News Alerts. Here you can choose which schools, athletic seasons, or any other types of announcements you would like to receive via email or SMS message for any of the categories. Before closing the screen, go back to the Profile tab and click Update Profile. Now you have completed your profile. You may go in and change these subscriptions at any time.